Does the Constitution protect women equally in India? Yes. The Constitution of India protects women equally, and this protection begins with some of the most important guarantees in the legal system. Article 14 says, "The state shall not deny equality before the law or equal protection of the laws." Article 15 also says, "The state shall not discriminate on grounds only of sex." That means women are not meant to stand outside constitutional protection. They are fully included within it. But the Constitution does something more than simply say, treat everyone the same. It also recognizes that formal equality alone is not always enough in real life. That is why Article 15(3) allows the state to make special provisions for women and children. So, constitutional equality in India does not stop the law from giving additional protection to women where protection is genuinely needed. This is a very important legal point. Equality does not mean the law must ignore social reality. If women face structural disadvantage, violence, exclusion, or unsafe conditions, the Constitution allows the state to respond through protective laws and welfare measures. So when people ask whether the Constitution protects women equally, the answer is yes, but not in a narrow or mechanical way. It protects women through equal constitutional status, and it also permits targeted legal support. This constitutional protection connects with everyday life. A woman is entitled to legal dignity, safety, and liberty. She is entitled to equal recognition as a citizen. She cannot legally be pushed aside from public life, denied legal respect, or treated as less worthy of protection because of her sex. These principles form the constitutional foundation behind many laws relating to safety, employment, dignity, and access to justice. For example, workplace protection laws have also been framed in line with constitutional principles of equality, non-discrimination, and dignity. The law on sexual harassment at the workplace expressly refers to Articles 14, 15, and 21, linking women's equality with the right to work with dignity in a safe environment. So the real answer is this: the Constitution does protect women equally, but it does not stop at a simple promise of sameness. It gives women equal constitutional status and also allows special legal protections where fairness requires them. That is one of the strongest features of Indian constitutional design. Still, it is important to understand one more thing. Constitutional protection on paper does not automatically remove injustice in society. The Constitution gives the legal foundation. Real protection becomes meaningful when laws are enforced, institutions act properly, and citizens know how to use their rights. So if the question is whether the Constitution sees women as equal under the law, the answer is clearly yes. And if the question is whether the Constitution allows extra protection for women where necessary, that answer is also yes. Know your rights. Understand your responsibilities.